Okay guys, welcome back, part 5, P-61. We're going to do the fuel pods, and that's up next, so we'll get cracking into that. Yeah, they're all the same, good. No, they're not. Alright. Okay, 95 and 96. Let's cut. No, I only do one and then I'll clean them all up and do them myself later. And I put everything away yesterday and everything's gone. Alright, here we go. Nice. Be careful with that thing there, eh? Alright. I'm just going to glue them together now. Bit of Breville contact glue on the contacts. All the way, bit on the tag. And bingo. Alright. Wait. And that's the fuel pod. Cool. Done. Easiest part of the model so far. Okay, I'll make the other ones. Okay, part 7 is done. Let's go into part 8, one of the first of the two engines. Let's get this one together. Alright, I know we're going to need that part there. Okay, get that out of the road. Okay, that's it for that sprue. Next we're going to need the cowling. That one there. We're going to also need number 63. That looks really fragile. It's got a bit of, what do you call it? Oh no, it's part of the, okay. I thought that was, yeah. Okay, nope, that's cool. What I thought and what I thought is not what I thought was what I thought. That is it. 73. And I also need 17, which is, I've lost that now. There it is, 17. That piece there. So we've got the cowling, that part there, that part there, and that part there. Okay, I put everything together. Oop, there it goes. Now I just want to have a dry run and to see what actually we could see. Zoom in. And it's quite a lot there. Now it's all loosely put together, that's why it's moving around, but you got the front cowling. And you got all the... Now my son's took me into running lines. Hold on, I'll get a pointer. Alright, I'll decide I'll show you later what I'm going to do, if I think I'm going to do it. But anyway, the only thing I wanted to do was to give that a test fit. Oh, there we go. Get my hand out of the light. And that's going to be really quite nice. It's just sitting there. Now, when I first got this model, no, not when I first got it, when I was halfway through and I was checking out the parts, I was noticing that I didn't have enough engine parts. And I was freaking out until I saw the instructions, and the other engine's a dummy engine. So, pretty happy about that. Anyway, we'll pull this apart. That we don't need. Also, we'll take the tape off. Alright. Now, I'm going to put some parts together, but not all parts together, because I want to be able to paint it. So the first ones we'll do is this one here, with this one here, and it's got two little knobs there, two little knobs there. Alright, so if I just... Actually, helps if I put on the camera, eh? Come on, close. So it's over here. I've got a mark there. Yeah, that's where it should be. Okay, two little knobs. Bingo. And push. Okay, I've gone back to using the big brush for these things. I like to make sure there's plenty of glue in these gaps. As long as you don't play around with it too much, you won't see that there's a lot of glue there, but it does clean up a lot of the mess. Okay. Just make sure that each individual one is nice and tight. Lovely. Now I think I'm going to spray these separately. I don't know. Because that's got to go inside there. That's a pin for the propeller, which I nearly forgot all about. And that goes three keys, and that goes not like that. Next one. Nope. Nope. Oh, come on. Three keys, like that. Why won't it go in? Oh, because it's not even in the right place. There we go. Nope. Oh. Alright, I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, I glued it. I glued it. It's cemented together. Okay. And that's going to have to be painted now. Now apparently the inside of the engine bay was yellow, so I'm gonna have to paint that and that front, where is it? The front part of all that part there, that fits in there, like so. So I'm gonna paint that whole part yellow and metallic grey, and we'll see about doing some funny stuff to it, but anyway, we'll see how that goes. Okay, well that's motor's drying, we'll get onto the wheels and we'll get the parts for that. So we need, basically, got those, we need 47, 2 of. Okay, 47's right there. Now I can see the numbers so much better when they're painted, eh? Anyway, let's get this part on. I'm just going to put a little... Not much to this one. It goes like that. And it's really windy here today. Alright, leave that alone. That's the whole thing there. Alright, I'm going to do the other one and I'll catch you on the other side. Okay, while they're drying, I'll cut these off. Give a bit of clean up and let's put them together. Like what Ron did the other day. Just put them on, play them up afterwards. See how that goes. Oh, wrong one. No, let's go with it. It's raining outside, so it's really nice. That's that one. And I'll do the other. I was actually hoping that there was a bush that would go inside so that the wheels could actually turn, but no. So a bit disappointed in that. And that's it. These are done. The arches, the supports are gluing. I've just got to go and paint that yellow and the other side yellow, and paint the engine metallic grey, and I think that part there is actually grey, but see how we go. Anyway, see you on the other side. Okay, the engine bay's been repainted, the engine's painted, and it's just a matter of all putting it together now. So I think that we'll leave that for another video, and I'm just going to paint these aluminium, do a little bit of wash in these parts here, and we'll start putting the plane together. Anyway, everyone, have a good one, and see you next video, hopefully. Bye.